In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme for selected slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're crafting a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, making sure your slides are visually appealing is crucial. Sometimes, you might want only specific slides to stand out with a different theme, and today we'll walk through how to do just that. First, you want to start by launching Microsoft PowerPoint. Once the program is open, you can either open an existing presentation that you've been working on or start a new one from scratch. If you're starting fresh, go ahead and add your photos, tables, and any other content that you need for your presentation. Preparing your slides with all the necessary content beforehand helps you see how the theme changes will affect each element. With your presentation open and content added, let's focus on selecting the slides you want to change the theme for. Look to the slide thumbnail pane on the left side of the window. Click on the first slide that you want to alter. If you want to change the theme on multiple slides, hold down the Control key on your keyboard, or the Command key if you're working on a Mac, and continue to click on the additional slides you wish to select. This step is important to make sure that only the slides you choose are affected by the theme change. Now that you have your slides selected, direct your attention to the top of the PowerPoint window and click on the Design tab. This tab is your gateway to customizing your presentation's appearance. Within the Design tab, you'll find a section labeled Themes. Here, PowerPoint offers a gallery of different themes you can choose from. Each theme brings its own set of colors, fonts, and design elements that can refresh the look of your slides. To see all the available theme options, click on the More button, typically represented by a downward arrow or ellipsis in the Themes group. This opens up the entire gallery of themes, giving you a broader selection to choose from. Feel free to explore and hover over different themes to get a preview of how each will look on your selected slides. Once you've found a theme that matches your vision, move your cursor over it, right-click on the theme, and then select Apply to Selected Slides. This action will apply the new theme specifically to the slides you previously selected in the thumbnail pane. It's a great way to apply a cohesive design element to various parts of your presentation without changing the look of your entire slide deck. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily change themes for specific slides, bringing a tailored look to parts of your presentation that you want to highlight. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in elevating your PowerPoint skills.